Hey traders, I hope everyone had a great weekend. It is 12:52 on the 6th of November 2017. So the market's been open for a little while now. For me, that's nearly 8 hours, 5 a.m. Perth time it opened. And we've got on the charts here now the USD Swissy. So I've actually pre-drawn in the lines from previously. This was a potential buy trade, never triggered, and retraced a little bit. Some aggressive wicks here as well, and here's where we ended. So currently where we're at, that's positive for Monday. We don't want Monday really making any big bullish moves. Really, we want it to be quite stagnant and held in this sort of state. It's fine with this current candle. That's perfectly fine. And then come Tuesday, later in the session, ideally. Normally the Asian session, which is about 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Perth time, is when you're not going to see too much. It's more like the Asian drift type period, is what I've heard it described as before. All right, so the Aussie dollar, pretty perfect for a sell trade this week. Again, we'll have to wait till a bearish signal comes up, but this is definitely one to watch. This is what it's done today so far. Lots of potential on the Aussie dollar. I mean, if I was to pick one that I would favor, it would be the Swissy, mainly because if we go to the daily chart, the Aussie dollar is not really in a well-defined downtrend at all, whereas the USD Swissy is in a pretty nice uptrend. As you can see, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than the Aussie dollar. So that's how I would justify a better rating for a trade, for a high probability setup for the Swiss against the US dollar. So that's why the Aussie dollar, I apologize. So the Aussie dollar is not, it's more of a speculative play, but there is potential because it's sort of struck this zone nearly proper, couple of hits, or one big hit, and then it's back down again. So we'll see. Let's just see how the Kiwi's doing. All right, so not too much. Probably it needs a little bit more work before we get into this one again. USD yen. Wow, it actually went again. What was the high there? 114.727. I got out here, I believe. Yeah, I got out on this candle, and then it went up again. So USD yen is interesting, a potential, but not, still it's very heavily resistance bound, that pair as well. Pound. Not great. Not great at all, really. Very range bound. So we'll avoid that, and then euro. Interesting. Daily. Yeah. Not a bad little candle setup there, those two. But again, it's not ideal trend wise. All right, guys. So just to conclude, Aussie dollar and the Swissy as well, USD Swiss, are potential trades. I'll wait till tomorrow to set things up, but the USD Swiss is probably the better of the two, and the Aussie dollar is not terrible, but I mean, if it does the right things tomorrow, you probably could have a nice little sell trade on our hands. I'll keep everyone posted. Thanks very much for watching. Check out my Instagram as well. I put up my stories. I'm going to do that now. Have a great day, and happy trading, and good luck for the week. Bye.